Hello and welcome back to McLaren Media. If you watched my last video, you'll know we removed the bumper on my mum's Ford Focus Mk3 to try and solve a water leak issue, and well, in today's video we'll be sorting out that water leak issue, so let's jump in. First of all, once the bumper is removed, you need to locate these 4 black plastic trims. They should be able to pop out, however they can be very tight and stuck in, so be careful not to break them. As you can see, there is a ton of water behind these inside the rear, so we definitely have a leak. Start by pulling out this white sound deadening material, and this is absolutely sodden, so a good dry out is definitely needed. Use towels, cloths, air blast, etc. to get all the water out and dry these areas thoroughly so the damp cannot return. It's the same story on the other side of the car. You can pop these small drain plugs to release the water. We are using a standard household mould killer to remove the mould in the boot and under the rear seats. Under the rear seats you can easily pull up the rear carpet and dry it out and demould if necessary. Luckily ours wasn't too bad. Once all the mould has been removed, we can seal the holes. Using a clear bathroom type sealer, you can run a good bead of it around the edge of the vent holes, and then once you stick the vent back down, it will create a good watertight seal to stop the water flooding in and sitting in those rear compartments and causing mould. Remember to replace the dried out sound deadener material before you seal the final vents. Once this is done, you can rebuild the rear of the car, and I am pleased to say this video was filmed about 3 weeks ago and the mould and the damp hasn't returned, so it's a great job all round. If you ever enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you all in my next video.